Oh, hello. Sorry, I said it's too long. It's me again. Yes, that's right. It's me again. Who do you thought it was? Perfect. I have the pancake. Thank you for the tip. I already know. Thank you for the tip. I already know. Or not even a minute. Or not even a minute. Not even a minute. Not even a minute. A minute. Okay, anyways. Now we are a minute in. And trickster just got that mixed up. Oh, some naturally spawned string that I obviously didn't put off camera. Okay, I did do that. No, bro. Okay, perfect. No, why? Come on, getting water. This is literally hard. 2 minutes already. Man. Easy. No. I'm just staying here. Look at this. I can't get out of here. I can't get out. Perfect. I got out of here. Peanut butter jelly time. Hey. Sorry, I'm singing. No. That reaction be like, no. That was so funny. And so you can see my skin better. I'm doing this for you. Look at this. I have my armor on. I put my armor on to show you how strong I am. Singing again. Bro, why can't I fly? Bro, I thought you were a block. I thought you were 2 blocks. And I come to. But you're not fast at all, boy. I can catch you in an instant. Look, a hole. Made by a creeper. This is made by a creeper. Yeah. Creeper explodes everywhere. Stop! I failed. Goo gaga. And how a lot of guitar too. Look at me. But I'm at. Wow. Look at me. This is me. Oh yeah, this is me. Bro, I'm getting lost. Bro, look at this. Jump scare. Oof, jump scare. Help us. Help me, help me, help me, Mario. Help me, Mario. Help me, Mario. I mean, help me, bread. Bring me bear. I mean, bring me a bear. I don't think I need a intense. I need a bell. Babella. 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 Bella, 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 Bella. What am I singing? Help. I'm so dumb. What is this? I just got Silk Touch. I mean, this is what you get. Blast for inflation. Now we going to KFC to get some chicken nuggets. Chicken nugget. Hello, this is KFC. Bro, when did KFC have water in it? Bro, where? When? I mean, really, when? Bro, this is a complicated. Bro, this is where it lead me to? Really, bro? Oh, no, bro, no. Oh, and only 7 minutes in? I want this to end already. Please, I want to get out of this. This is a nightmare. Nightmare. This is a little nightmare. Help me. Then I'll mind my way out to freedom. Out of my way. Mind my way, dig my way out to freedom, out to freedom. When I'm seeing okay, finally. Okay, so this place needs to be marked. This place is marked. Perfect. Marked. I'm becoming Europa. I mean, I'm singing again, but way more weirder. I'm not bright. No. I mean, sure. No, I'm not. Bro, I hate this place. I hate it. I hate it so much. I hate this. No. Yes, I hate it. Come on. We can do this. Let's do this. No. Yes. Finally. Finally. I got out of that nightmare. A nightmare that was real. Go. Let's mine this out. Let's mine this. We got 5 coal. Who here was naughty? Who? I mean, I'm not Santa. I believe in Santa. Who doesn't? I mean, there are a lot of people thinking, no, Santa is not real. Well, I think he is. So look, this is someone who thinks Santa doesn't exist. Maybe like, oh, he does exist. Stop saying that. Yeah, I whooped him out. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, Mama, how do you know I can place this? Mamma mia! Oh no, I need to get ready for sleep. Intense music intensifies. Yeah, why I can't put it? Because I'm too busy making this and no one is here to edit. No. How can I be a double Enderman and a double skeleton? How can it be a duo of these two? How can I get out? Someone help me from this. Please, I can't support this madness. Help. No. Yes, finally. Oh, little dog. Oh, so cute. Sorry, I need to sleep. Perfect. What? A relic? Oh yeah, I put a relic anyways. Do, do, do. And I'm sure you did the best job. So I'm listening to this banger. This is a banger. Oh, you can sing too long. Oh, hello, little doggies. I want to be your owner. Sorry, I can't. This is a banger. Right, DJ? This is a banger, right? This is a banger, right. Mouchel, is this something? Yep, this is a banger. That's me, boys. And this is where this is gonna end. Bye. Bye! Say bye. Bro, say bye. What?